Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Healing Words review. So here I am on the sales page to Healing Words. This is the newest launch by Nelson Long. It's a Warrior Plus launch, of course, and it went live yesterday. Yesterday was the 17th, right, of August. It's 6 days launch, and during this time you will be able to pick it up for the lowest price ever. Guys, we have the whole funnel here. We'll check out all of the upsells you'll get. Well, for now, just to let you know, the front end to this product is $1470. Yeah, $1470. I always have to double check the numbers, because me and numbers. you know, me and numbers. So yeah, let's go. Here is the members area, and I have downloaded I have it all here. So hold on, hold your horses. So this is the front end of the product. You will access the product via this members area. Okay, then you'll just have to click through this button, click to start. It's going to take you to the download page and click download. This is the size of the file. As you can see, 673 megabytes. And before I go ahead and show you the healing quotes, really, because what you're getting here, access to, guys, is 1,000 uplifting mental health quotes. Now, very, very in demand, very needed these days for people to hear these words of wisdom, all with this like skyrocketing level of mental health issues people are experiencing, and I mean the stress level is just very, very high, and it doesn't seem like people know how to cope with stress in the healthy way. They don't know how to handle stress the healthy way. And yeah, it just backfires, and not gonna get carried away here, but it just affects the whole system, mind, body, spirit, all of that. And yeah, I mean, like, I'm quite actually passionate about the mental health topic myself. Well, I tend to, even though this is not the make money online niche, in order to be productive, creative, to achieve any sort of success, whatever success means to you, you need to be in a good, strong state of mental health, right? So I myself tend to share these quotes on my Instagram account, Facebook, so to do with like mental well-being, but physical well-being is as well. Again, it is all combined, okay? It's all like 2 or 3 in 1, like as they say, mind, body, spirit. So these are PLR quotes. This is a PLR product, so you're getting 1,000 uplifting mental health quotes. Okay, I'll show you what the quotes look like, but you can actually check it out on the sales page. So as you can see, if I scroll down, here are some of the examples. A few examples of the quotes you're getting access to. So beautiful looking, okay, you will get them in both PDF and Word formats. So Word is just the text, should you wish to put them on a different background and stuff like that. So in a sec, I'm just gonna open up this file and show you what the product will look like, how it will be delivered to you, okay? But just to finish off with the sales page, sweet and short to the point, here are your PLR rights. PLR products are personal license rights. So you're getting personal license rights to the product, which means you can add the product as a bonus to your existing product. One thing you cannot do, you cannot give it, a few things, right? You cannot give it away for free. You cannot sell them or distribute this product across free or paid membership sites that specialize in distributing PLR or resale rights products. You cannot resell them, distribute them on platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, okay? But you can use them as bonuses and sell them on other platforms which are not mentioned here in these cannot points, okay? So just make sure you familiarize yourself with with your PLR rights before you start reselling them. Now, one thing I would certainly do, I would use these beautiful quotes for boosting up my social media accounts. Very good for that. Or you can also turn them, if you have a piece of software that turns like an image into a short video, I would also share them, publish them on TikTok or also as Instagram, YouTube Reels. This is pretty cool too, right? So, yeah, I remember some time ago, actually Todd Gross was selling this quite a cool piece of software that was turning pictures into short videos. And that was, so the background was moving. It just popped into my head. Anyhow, so here I also have a bunch of amazing bonuses, guys, to help you make the best out of this product. Okay, I give you here access, guys, to 6 free traffic methods. It's a PLR video training course, amazing one. Okay, I'll show you open up these bonuses and show you what they look like. But here I also, the bonus number 2, I give you access to my unlisted, custom-made, done by me, okay, video on how to create a professional Instagram account and how to monetize your Instagram account using a free Linktree website for that. So these are 2 step-by-step tutorials which I prepared for Jeremy Kennedy's launch, and they're very, very relevant with this product as well, because before you start sharing these quotes on social media accounts, and Instagram is excellent for that, okay? You want to set up your accounts in a professional way, as professional accounts or creators accounts as well, not professional business accounts, right? And then I also give you access to how to brand yourself and your business, which is master reseller rights. Also a growth mindset bonus, which is in fact, this one is 10 articles which are master reseller which come with master reseller rights. So you can actually package them up and sell them as a product if you wish. So let me show you the Healing Words product first. So the members area, I did show you the members area, right? So once you've downloaded it, you will have them in your downloads. So click on them. I would say it's about 25, 30 different categories that, the front end has been divided into. So as you can see, sort of like categories, niches. You could put it this way as well, right? So acceptance, anxiety, balance, compassion, confidence, courage, depression, emotional balance, empathy, forgiveness, gratitude, grief and loss, healing, hope, identity. Exactly. What's your identity? What's your identity? Who are you? Right? People very often identify with labels rather than true inner self. The fact that you are who you are regardless of where you're from, who brought you up, where you were born, your race, this and that. It's all labels. It's all superficial. The inside of you, the real you, is something that doesn't need a label. So, do we need identity? Yeah. Next one. Inner peace, joy and happiness, peace. Inner peace is something I'm also personally very, very passionate about. It's our greatest wealth when we have that inner peace in us, right? Then life purpose, mental health awareness, mindfulness, motivation, overcoming challenges, patience, peace and calm, personal growth, big one for me as well. We should always strive to become the best versions of ourselves, and the only person you should be comparing yourself to is you from yesterday. And then positivity, purpose and meaning, renewal, resilience, self-care. The best healthcare is self-care. There's a quote for you. Stress, and how to handle stress in a healthy way. There's always stress. There will always be stress in life, but how we handle it is the key, right? Transformation, going from glory to glory, and wisdom, this beautiful wisdom. All right, I'm just gonna open up one of them. Let me open up maybe the Self-love, good one too. So as you can see, under that category, you will still have a few more. So split into 3 different ones. So building self-esteem, important. Embracing imperfections, very good, very good. That's what makes us unique, human, and all of that. Accepting yourself as you are, yet at the same time growing and improving oneself. And practicing self-compassion. Yeah, very, very often we're just too strict and too harsh on ourselves. But anyhow, so let me first show you the Word format. So these ones will be, it will open up in a Word, and you will have just the quotes from here. So should you want to use them for another background, you can just grab them from here. I love it that Nelson provides you with this option too. But let me open up the PDF. It's PDF, I guess. This one is or PNG actually, I guess, because these are pictures. So building self-esteem. And as you can see under that, you have 10 different quotes. So believe in yourself. Let me open up this one. No, and you also have with offer or no offer. So let me see this one. It's JPEG actually. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Very good. I like it. Okay, let's check out another one. I really love these quotes. I love this one. Recognize your worth. Can you hear the cockerel at the background? It's on my case each morning. Anyhow, they say here, recognize your worth and embrace your strengths, knowing that you deserve respect and success. Sure you do as a human being, but we must remember that respect must be earned, right? Okay, so that's that, guys. I'm not going to open up all of them, but it's a huge file, okay, that you're getting access here. And before I go, okay, because I'm pretty much done here. Before I go, I want to show you this bonus, the 6 free traffic methods video series pack that I give you access to as only one of my bonuses. This is this one. And I would say the very, very unique, unheard of, not unheard of, not many people talk about it, these 6 traffic methods. And you see like blog commenting, book syndication, forum posting, guest posting, help the reporter out. It's kind of like, it's ways to help you build backlinks to your content as well. So let me just open up the first one. As you can see, you have all of the documents needed for reselling these products as well. So you've got even the thumbnail, should you want to create a video out of this post, out of this content. Okay, let me show you so you've got the scripts here, and let me show you the video in which the guy talks about it. Okay, so you see, this is a very, very high quality, guys, training course I give you here access to, done not by AI, by a real person, a real training course with PLR rights and all of the stuff that you need for rebranding and reselling this product should you wish to do so. Okay, and then as you can see, how to create a professional IG profile, so Instagram. This is my YouTube video. Let me just click on the first one, that I take you here through the whole process of this. Hey, how's it going? So you see, unlisted, done by me. And then there was another one that I also prepared. It's also unlisted on YouTube. Okay, to do with Linktree and how to set up this free website that you can share, you can put on your Instagram account and monetize your content. Okay. And then 2 other bonuses, which I have already mentioned, branding yourself and your business, and growth mindset. This one is an ebook. Let me just show you this ebook. Here you go. We have it here. So you get the sales letter, a sales page, should you wish to resell it as well. It's 49 pages long. Beautiful, beautiful ebook. How to brand yourself and your business. Okay, high quality content. Right, so that's that, guys. My bonuses, which you will get if you pick up the product via the link below my review, and you will have a few upsells. So let's check out the funnel quickly. So as I said, the front end 1470, there will be a bump offer on the front end, inline offer called Healing Words Advanced for $9.90. So probably more quotes. Then Healing Words Advanced for only $9.90. Did I say the other one was $9.95? Sorry, $9.90. And then there will be a few other upgrades, which you can see here. You can see the prices, which are actually quite congruent with the front end. These are to do with motivational videos, which go hand in hand with the healing words sort of niche, right? This is upsell number 1, I believe here, Healing Words upgrade for $37. Okay, I don't have more information about the upsells, guys. This is all I've got. Now, once you've picked up the front end, you will be presented with the upsells. So go through them, check them out. Just grab what you need, leave what you don't want or don't need. Okay, but do remember that you're getting all of my bonuses with the front end alone. So as for the upsells, you decide which ones would benefit your business, I guess. That's the way to put it. Okay, so the link in the description, just under $15 for now during the launch. After the launch, the price will go up, so this is the lowest you can get it for now. Alright, love you and leave you guys, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.